Good morning, everybody. We have made it to Wednesday, and not only that, it is day 7 of Thriftmas. It's actually the day that I'm filming this. I went out charity shopping yesterday, and I didn't want to film, so here I am again, forcing myself to come out. I've actually come to Redruth again. I remembered in the last video that I filmed, when coming here, I went to go to the Canine Crusader shop and it was shut, and I thought actually I'd quite like a mooch around that shop today. So I've come down and we're going to go there together. It's typically really good for like glassware and bric-a-brac and stuff. Also, what I like about Redruth town is there's a bargain outlet for the Cornwall hospice one down at the bottom of town. I really like that one. I know there's also one of those over in Bodmin, and that's somewhere I also intend to visit soon. Some of you have mentioned going to Bodmin, and I definitely intend to go there. It's just whether or not I'm going to be brave enough whipping up the A30. I don't really like that road. And also some of you mentioned Helston as well, and that is definitely in the back of my mind. I've written it down, so maybe we'll visit there together in December. Also, on the note of December, I did say that I would go back to St Ives to do a video there again and show you what it looks like kind of all Christmassy up. So we will go back there as well, and I'll take you along for the day. But obviously today we're in Redruth in the hopes that the Canine Crusader shop is actually open today. Look at these little teddies. I love them. £3 they are. Oh, they're cute. And they have 2 matching little pair there. Loads of Christmassy goodies on this table. Perfect for a little rummage. Look at that guy. Stocking holder. How sweet is that? Love it. These here are pretty cool. Look at them. A proper 90s retro Christmas, £1, and they've got like red versions in there and dark navy blue ones. How cool are they? I haven't seen those yet this year. Wonder if we'll actually see a Rudolph again today. These Christmassy bits. Oh, little movies, look. How fun is that? All those are 50p each, so an absolute bargain. Some handmade cards. What else they've got in here is loads of reusable advent calendars. Look at this one here, a little fabric one. It's £6. It looks like a handmade one. And then in here also they've got some like little felt ones and stuff. Like, look at that one. What is on there? Santa and a polar bear for £2 on that one. Cute little stockings. So many lovely little things. Look at that quilted and polar bear there. I did see something else as well. Oh yeah, that the like B&M name sacks. If you're after an N, they have one in here for £2.50. They feel lovely. Another little table of Christmassy stuff. Look at these tins. It's like Santa's body, but how cool is that? Some handmade decorations. Look at a little gingerbread man. So fun. It's almost like going to a Christmas market coming in here, which is probably why I enjoy it. Look at him. Which is £3. Okay, bit of glassware. This is where, oh look, someone's painted one of the flower pot men on there. Glassware in here is typically really great and really reasonably priced as well. So I do like having a little wonder. That little dish there. This part here of the shop's really cool as well. They also have loads of different like crafty bits if you're a crafter like me. Look at this. So cool. Zips are good in here, 30p a piece. Some of them get repurposed, some of them are new. All the zips in there. Buttons, beads, ribbons and trims. Look at that. See, it's a treasure trove. Stickers. All in there, look. Nice. And then they have this rail here, which is full of fabrics. So you can get some good fabric going for crafts. Look at that, see? Loads of things in here wanting to be upcycled into things. Another little box down here full of scrap packs of fabric. Look at all those. You could upcycle those into little angels, couldn't you? Remember my DIY the other day? Just lots of mixed bags, which is always really good if you're after just some small bits, you know. And I like the fact they're already bundled up for £1. It looks like they've done good mixes in there rather than like all the same. So it's always good to have, isn't it? Look at this one. It's pretty. I like that one. But yeah, I'm not going to need any fabric the moment. I need to use that once I've got, so. But just a little food for thought there. Got all those flannels as well. £1. Just having a little mooch around in the clothing. Look how cool this vintage cardi is. It's an old St Michael look for £4. Feels very much like wool. Doesn't have any in the label. Yeah, there it is. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's acrylic with 22% mohair, but how cool is that? Really like the little buttons on there as well, but for £4, a bargain. Also, really like this jacket. Sadly, it's a little bit too big for me, even though I'm wearing a men's 3XL jacket right now. What am I talking about? But the shape just, it doesn't look good, but it's this big on me, but £6 for that. Look how nice that is. And it is 80% wool as well, down here, so that's a really good price, and just a lovely little collar on there. Really nice jacket. Just come next door into Cancer Research now. They've also got baubles all bundled up. They're bundled up by kind of colour in here. Some Christmassy movies there. They're all £1 a piece. Lots of little Christmassy bits. Unfortunately, that bulb over there is broken. I've already had a mooch through this. Like, I forgot I was filming. This one looked really bad. But I quite like this one. Look at those little vintagey kind of ones in there. And different colours. These ones here are really sweet as well, with the little snowflakes on. How pretty are they? A 100-piece Christmas pack. I miss Homebase. I can't believe Homebase has gone. They used to do the best Christmas stuff. So underrated. But this one here is so retro. Look, we've got the little stars, the little foil bits, mini tinsel, disco balls back there, and presents and everything. What a retro treat. £4 actually. I wonder if there's silver in there, because it looks gold, but the box is very yellow. I can't quite see through enough. I think they are gold, but yeah, originally was £25 in there, look, and only £4. How cute is that plate? I don't know what brand that is, but I love the people. It's £10, but look at all the little things on there. I love the turkey and the chickens. Another thing I keep spotting out is little Christmas jumpers. I keep seeing them, but I actually think they're really quite funny. But definitely get them in the charity shop rather than buying new. They're only £5 in here, and obviously you just keep them in circulation for a bit longer, but it is pretty cool, isn't it? Loving a little look through the Christmas jumpers, especially now I know that some of you have gone and bought some of them since I've been sharing them, so that makes me feel really happy. What else have we got here? Oh, it's a men's one with the big Santa face. I think I seen that one somewhere the other day actually. A big snowman one there. What's this one? Merry Christmas, fancy whiskey and coke. Have I seen that? I've probably seen it in here, to be honest, because I did come in here. And that one's pretty. Just a classic. Oh, it's a Merry Xmas, but a classic kind of Christmassy one with the puds on like that. It feels nice and soft, and again £5. That seems to be the going price, apart from Truro, where they all seem to be about £10. Oh, I've tripped and I've fallen into the jacket section again. I've just come into British Heart Foundation now, and oh, look at this jumper. Nice M&S one. Just having a little look. To be honest, I'm a bit like, about charity shopping today. I don't feel like there's anything left that I need, and I need to get on some crafting. So I'm just kind of like browsing through really fast to see if anything catches my eye. It's a pretty fun top there. George Asda. How much is that? £3. See, I'm just kind of having a little look just to see if anything in particular kind of catches my eye, especially in terms of jackets. You know me and jackets. I did actually find a faux fur jacket which was perfect yesterday in Truro. I just popped down by myself, I didn't film or anything, and yeah, I found one which was just perfect, except it was £18, and I was like, no, I'm not spending £18 on a used jacket. So hence why I've come somewhere cheaper today in the hopes to find one. I am just on a mission. Oh, this jacket's cool. That one. Do you see that? That's cool actually. £10 for that one. It's a long lined one as well. Oh my goodness. so many jackets I can barely put them back on, but that one's really nice actually. No faux fur though, and that's kind of the only one that I am actually after. I don't have any more room for any jackets that I don't need. Lots of men's checkered shirts in. They're always good for an upcycle, aren't they? And the prices again here aren't so bad. £4 on that one. That one there was also £4. This is why we go to the cheaper towns, because everything is much better priced. That was lovely. Just this Sainsbury's one actually, £4 again. Really enjoying these like quarter cord like zip downs or quarter zips. They are £5.50 from Cotton Traders. They've got a blue one and a green one. Love that blue one. So nice. Just nipped into Poundland quickly because I'm just skabooting around town. I needed some batteries, and these ones here will just do for some lights that I've got going up in the window. But they've got some good bits in here actually, £2 for them. Look at that. Got these little mini tubs. They're sweet. How much are they? £1.40 for all of those. Look, if you're not in the charity shop, you know, market, then maybe Poundland's for you. I don't really come in here much, to be honest. We've got one in town, but it's always really busy and the queue takes forever, so I tend to avoid it in Truro. So it's actually a nice change coming in here and it being quite quiet, and it's quite a big store in here actually. I remember I used to do the what's in Poundland kind of videos. Oh, look at those. They'd probably make a good DIY base. Yeah, I like that scarf. Look at that. I don't know why I like that so much actually. I think pink and orange go well really together. It reminds me of like a sunrise. Get a bit of a joyous colour in. I like that box. Little Santa. How cute is he? So little mooch in Poundland done. I didn't actually really buy anything interesting there, just a couple of sweeties and some batteries. Don't know why it came to £10. Didn't get receipts, so something was wrongly priced in there, but either way, I'm now going down to the outlet charity shop that I said about earlier, in the hopes that I can find some little Christmassy bits in there, maybe some bits to upcycle, like fabric wise. I am going to go home in a second and carry on with the angels that I said about in my DIY video. I'm sure I shared them, like the gingerhead ones. Yeah, I did share them, what we're talking about. They're so cute. I'm going to be making a batch because I need to pay for some dental work. So thought I'd make a batch, put them up in the shop along with the gingerbread garlands and a couple of other little designs that I've been working on as well. Like I've been making a little snowman. He's got like little stick arms, so cute. I've called him Frankie, and he's going to be up like on a pattern and like actual kind of, well, like the dolls themselves are going to be up in the shop as well, so stay tuned for that. I'm obviously going to go do this over the next couple of days, but I've arrived at the bargain outlet now. It's looking very Christmassy in the window. Look at that, very nice. So let's see what we can find. Ooh. Again, as I told you guys, everything in here is £1. £1 for all clothing, so it's great if you find something really nice kind of fabric and stuff. Look at that dress all the way to the floor. My sister would like that. Yeah, it's great if you find some things that like obviously you can upcycle and like turn into something new, or just find some really good things in general. I once found a £300 jacket in here once for £1, which was crazy. I still have it actually. It was quite a few years ago that I found that, but yeah. Some real treasures can be found. Do you remember when people used to wear trousers like that all the time? I used to live with trousers like that. But yeah, I tend to go to the men's section, which is up these stairs, through this room, just down here. Another little chilly snowman, look at him. The little Merlin one. How cute is that? So sweet. I'm seeing them absolutely everywhere now. Coming down. Last time I was in here, the kids' clothes I think was 10 for £1 or something like that. It was like a half-term deal, but 3 for £1 in here again today, which again, amazing price. Okay, I'm back home now, as you can see, beside the Christmas tree. It's so joyous in here. Look at that. I absolutely love it. I didn't end up finding anything in the charity shops. I also left quite abruptly on the last one just because I ended up getting a raging headache by the time I got round. I also noticed I've had a crumb in my eyebrow this whole vlog, so that's really annoying. I thought about not posting it, and then I thought, screw it, it doesn't matter. I can't let you down on day 7 of Thriftmas. So I do want to say a huge thank you to all of you who have joined along the Thriftmas kind of series. I've gained 1,000 new subscribers since November, so very pleased with you all being here. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. I will be back on Monday after doing some crafting and stuff offline over the next couple of days to start another series, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. If there's anything in particular that you want to see, then definitely let me know, because I'm going to be making content regardless, so it may as well just be something that you guys like and we're on the same page. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye.